So here we go, it's Monday morning and we've got a present arrived. So this is going to be our last shaky video, hopefully. So a few of you have commented that our videos have been a bit shaky. Look, I'll give you like that. And managed to persuade the management to buy us a new camera. So we've got this camera here and we're going to unbox it and try it out. So it's supposed to be good. So it's got a built-in gimbal. So we're going to have a little unwrap of this and see if this is the... Let's have a look.
Oh, which way around is it?
Oh, is it a slide out? Come on in, you can't even get in the box.
Oh, I can't.
Can't. You got it? How to get in. It's not one of those ones where it whole slides out a sleeve, is it? God, my goodness me, it's like Russian dolls. Accessories included in the box. Oh, oi! I am. So this.
Have you got any power on it?
Does it come charged, or are we gonna have to charge it up and then come back?
Might have to charge it up and then come back.
Right, just press a button, see if anything happens.
I'm gonna guess that's the on one.
That's the on one, right? We're gonna get some power in it and come back and see. It's got a little. That's got a removable battery and it's got a little USB. So we'll charge it there. You can see the little USB. So we'll get some power going in. What else we got in the box? Well, we get. There you go.
We got a case.
Like a slick
Charging
case.
cable.
Charging lead. That's what we need. USB.
Instructions.
What's that?
Stickers.
Oh, stickers. We're gonna get all stickered up. Look.
And then more instructions.
Don't. What's that picture telling me? Don't put it on its side.
Don't lay it down. Stand it up.
Right. Let's get some power in it and let's get going. So we've charged the battery, right, and then you want to give it a go now. So the first thing we've got to do is we've got to, yeah, so that it's now free to move. At the moment it's locked. If you look at these two dots there, that's, wait, you've unlocked it, there you go. And that, but then when you do that, it's free.
And then you got another one on the back for the pan.
So we've got to loosen all that up. Okay.
Then you can turn it on.
Turn it on, and then, let's have a look. So there we go, so we've got a, so we can now actually have a look in the workshop and see the car. And what it should be doing now is as we go, what mode is it on now? You got it?
So we can hit it once it's on follow.
So what it'll do now is it'll go wherever we want it to go, but it'll take the gimbal will just delay the action a bit and should hopefully improve my
And then if we go pan mode, it keeps that lens facing forwards.
Yeah, so whatever you do, it keeps it. So right, so the next video we'll do with the new camera. So keep your eyes open and we'll try and get that new video and hopefully we'll see some improvement in our video quality.